On the 6th of July 2024, sheriff's deputies responded to a Walmart shoplifting report after a woman was accused of leaving with over $1,300 in unpaid merchandise. She was detained, handcuffed, and ultimately charged with grand theft. But the footage raises serious questions about when a simple stop crosses into an arrest.
Hi.
I didn't
Can you step out of the car? I'll explain what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Just leave your phone right here.
Okay, you're trying to open the door. I'm sorry.
Turn around for me. Don't make this hard. Turn around for me. You gonna make me fight for it?
No.
Turn around. Turn around. That's all I'm telling you.
Are you gonna get my side?
I'll explain every single thing. You're not arrested, okay? You're being detained.
Because I tried to explain to them. I tried to tell them.
426, one detained. Okay, hang on.
Can we shut my door?
Yeah, I'm gonna shut it. Yeah, my other officer's right there.
Because my phone, it failed. I tried to show her. It failed to pay the thing.
Okay, so
And I had it up on my.
just give me. I'll get your side. Just gotta figure out what's going on. Okay, so you're detained. I'm gonna sit you in my car. Okay. So let me explain something. Okay. So you're being detained for a shoplifting investigation right now. Okay. Just okay. That's how that. I know. So before you say anything, is your driver's license out of Florida?
Yes.
Okay. Well, what's going on? Why are we here right now?
I just want to say too, because I remember scanning my scan thing, the pay to go. I literally sat there and scanned every single item in the cart. Like I literally sat there and scanned every single item. And if they were watching me,
Are the items over there?
I don't have any items. They took them all.
So why would you scan them and then not
pay to go?
What do you mean?
The scan and go. So you scan your items and then you just scan your barcode and you leave.
Without the items?
No, with the items. But I'm saying you don't scan them at the checkout.
Deputies are comparing Holly's account of her Walmart scan and go checkout with employee statements to see if evidence supports her explanation or points elsewhere.
So you were using a scan and go app?
Yes.
Is that app out of Walmart?
It's off Walmart.com.
Off Walmart? Walmart.com?
Walmart Plus or whatever.
Okay.
Yes.
So why would you leave them then if you already scanned them?
Because they took them from me.
Who took them from you?
The man did.
Okay. Did he identify
And
it?
she said that I stole all this stuff. And I said, no, I definitely scanned it.
So when you left...
I got scared.
So what did you tell them? You just left? You said okay and you just left?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I remember scanning the phone where I had every single item scanned on there. The best of my knowledge, every single item. I was over there, like, far away from people because I had a lot of stuff. Mm-hmm. And I was making sure everything got scanned because... Sometimes when you put it in the cart, you put 2-3 things in the cart. Mm-hmm. You don't know if you got them all. Okay. So I was going through and I scanned all of them, make sure they're all scanned. And then I went to the front, and then I remember I needed cinnamon sticks. And
so you scan. So how do you pay?
On the barcode.
So initially you scan all the barcodes, and then when you're going to pay, you pay that
you go
total
to the
amount.
self-checkout and you do the scan. The barcode that it gives you.
In the self-checkout?
In the self-checkout. And that's what I did.
But you didn't pay for it?
It must have failed the transaction, which it has done that to me multiple times. It says, pay... Hold on, I'm trying to remember. I had a TDI, so my memory sometimes isn't as good, but it says, it was just up on my phone. That's when I told her, I said, it failed to go, like, can I just scan it again? And she said, no, you didn't even try to scan it. And that's not true, I definitely did.
Okay, so...
I was trying to think of it. It says...
So you were at the...
It pretty much says you're good to go.
So you were at the self-checkout, and you were about to produce the barcode to be able to pay for the items?
I did do that.
But it said transaction failed.
No. It says... I can't remember the exact terminology. He probably knows what I'm talking about, because it does this to me all the time.
So why keep using it?
Because you get money back and stuff.
Because what?
You get money back and stuff.
Even though it gives you the same issue all the time?
Well, I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
They said they were working on it.
Who was working on it?
The Walmart Plus app people.
But not them.
No, they not them.
Holly blames the checkout issue on a recurring app error rather than theft. Investigators are now comparing her account with witness and staff statements to see if they match the evidence.
This isn't my, I don't go here, but it pretty much says you're all. Yeah, it does. It says you're all set. Whenever after you scan the barcode.
Have you been arrested before?
Yes, I was 18 and
you were 18 for.
I was at a house party.
You're at a house party.
The bus and took us all.
That was the last time you got arrested. So if I look up your arrest history.
No.
When's the last time you got arrested?
Well, I wasn't arrested, but I had to go to court.
Step out. We're gonna do something. I'll explain. Okay. Holly, do you have anything that's gonna stick me, poke me, stab me?
No.
Any guns, knives, anything like
No.
that? Okay. Let's just space over here. See the Halo Adoption Center?
Yes.
Alright, let's just keep looking at that, okay?
What happened?
I'll explain. Just keep looking over here. I'll explain everything that I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm gonna explain to you, okay? Just keep looking there. I'm looking with you, so.
Am I supposed to be looking for something?
See that car right there? See the
Yeah.
front number? Did you see it?
No. Why was it my brother-in-law?
Okay.
You said you were going to explain
I am.
everything as it was happening.
Yeah. I'm gonna sit you down. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, okay? So the guy, was it a guy or a girl who went up to you and said like, hey, what's going on?
No one said what's going on. They just
Or
said, come with me.
who said that?
A man and a woman.
A man and a woman?
Mhm.
Okay. Well, that man just identified you as being that person, okay? That's what we were trying to do, okay? So
That's fine.
that's where we're at right now.
I can show you a screenshot
So
of it.
give me a second, and I'm gonna talk to my officers real quick, and I'll get back with you here shortly, okay?
After identifying the reporting employee, deputies are comparing Holly's account with store statements. Investigators are now focusing on the evidence in sequence of events to determine their next steps.
I can show you a screenshot that said you're all set.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Hey, is there anybody that can come pick up your car?
We can always email
Listen,
Holly,
I
is there
did.
anybody that can come pick up your
Yeah.
car? Who can pick up your
I
car?
show you the
Who
screenshot.
can pick up your car?
They're not telling the truth. I just heard they said that I passed all points of sale, and I did not.
Can you?
I didn't
Tell me
pass
about
all
that part.
points of sale.
Well, yeah, what are we
What?
doing with it? It's
It's
Can I
on.
just go
Hey,
look at the tape, please?
they're
And can I
already
show
got
my
all that.
screenshot shows that I paid.
they.
It's the same as a receipt.
You would have got a printed receipt, ma'am.
No, it doesn't print out when I use the app. It's on the
What do
app.
you want us to do with the vehicle, ma'am?
I'm gonna call somebody to come get it.
Okay, who'd you like me to call to come get your vehicle?
My mom.
Hey Holly, just to let you know. So I know I didn't search you, like physically touch you, but because you're a girl, so we don't have any female officers right now. But if
don't even
listen,
have any items.
listen. But if you present something into the
Oh,
jail,
I don't have anything.
it's gonna be a felony.
No, I
Okay.
don't have anything.
Right now, it's a felony also because it's over $750. It's listen.
Oh my god, I'm a
Holly.
practitioner. I'll lose my
Holly,
license.
listen. I'm just doing my job.
I didn't
Listen,
even do it.
listen,
I didn't even
listen,
know.
Holly. Listen. You're at $1,300 right now. Okay. That's over.
even have
That's over
anything.
felony amount. Yes, but because they stopped you outside of the store.
No, I was not outside of the store.
They have video.
It's okay. I wasn't outside of the store. I was in the law apartment, and they stopped the car like before I could even pull it,
Simple.
and they said, "Come with me."
Okay, so
And I said, "Oh, can I just?" I said. She said, "Do I have a receipt?"
With the merchandise value exceeding the felony threshold, deputies are escalating the case beyond routine shoplifting as they move into the next phase of the investigation.
hey, that's the route we're gonna go. Okay, so just listen to me. So I'm also gonna issue a trespass from that store, and that's gonna be for life. Okay.
Okay.
That's nothing criminal. That's just a civil thing. Okay. So you're gonna get a copy at the jail after you're bonded out. Okay. Whenever that's whenever the judge, since being a felon, you're gonna have no bond. That's gonna be first thing tomorrow morning.
Oh
listen,
my God.
Listen, Holly,
I'm
listen,
gonna pass out. I'm
Listen.
gonna pass out.
listen.
Can I just talk to the lady?
No, we're past that. Okay.
Why?
They want to
I'm
prosecute.
really
They want
gonna
to.
pass out. I'm really
You want me
gonna
to call
pass
an
out.
ambulance?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God.
426. Can you have EMS respond to my 1020 reference female being short of breath? They're on the way, okay? But
I accidentally pulled my fingernails off.
but you cannot put your legs back in, but I'll leave the door open. I
didn't do this. I didn't do this. This is gonna be on my record now, and that's gonna make me lose my license. Imagine if someone said you did something that you didn't do, and that would make you lose your job as an officer. Can I at least call my brother-in-law? He's a cop. He might know how to help me.
cannot take legal advice right now, okay?
You said that I could. Can I call my mom from my phone?
Alright, Holly, stay like that. I forgot to double lock you that way so your cuffs won't keep locking on themselves, keep getting any tighter.
Can they come off?
No.
Even though I'm stuck in this car?
It's our policy. We gotta. If you're back of the car, you're supposed to be handcuffed, okay?
Please. Let me talk to that lady, please. Oh my God, I'm gonna pass out the mark talk. I'm sorry.
You have plenty of air. The air's on high. I have the door open.
Sorry, excuse me, I'm gonna throw up.
You're okay. Throw it outside. Don't throw it in my car, because you'll probably end up cleaning it. And I'm sure you want to clean or throw up.
Man,
Yeah, go ahead.
I got a hold of your mom and your brother, so they're coming from Port St. Lucie, okay? So we're gonna have to go out and secure the vehicle. So I'll talk to the manager, make sure they're okay with it being here for at least an hour and a half or so. Otherwise they're gonna go.
She's getting arrested. She's complaining that she's like hyperventilating, passing out, wanted to throw up, feeling fatigue. You guys just check her out, make sure she's good. If not,
Running or like?
no, she's just like, holy shit, I'm getting arrested for a felony type of stuff. So
Was she stealing from
Walmart. I caught her straight up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. She's on this side. Okay, so they're gonna check you out, and you let them know what's gonna go on. Okay. So if you want to scoot a little bit more over here, but not feet outside. Just if they need you, yes. But as of right now, just stay there. Hey Holly, what's your phone password? Is it okay if I go on your phone to check what you're telling me? Okay. Where am I supposed to find this stuff? Or answer their questions, and I'll be right back with you. I'm waiting because they're asking her, but they did pull up some scan QR code.
That's fine. Well, let her walk you through it.
Yeah, I'm good at
And as I was explaining to Will, let her walk you through it. If she can prove her own innocence, great.
Yeah, that's great. That's fine.
Maybe a count. Yeah, on
okay.
the bottom of the screen.
Okay.
The last one over.
I see it. Purchase history.
Yes.
Yeah, your last purchase looks like was June 30th. So Holly, okay? So this is not something we're going to get resolved here, okay? You want me to turn off your phone so you have access to it? Sure. So here's the deal, okay?
Did you see what I mean? I truly believe that I thought I paid.
I'm not arguing with you, okay? My job is not to try you on the side of the road. Neither is this officer's, okay? Our job is to determine do we have probable cause for an arrest, which is different than you being found guilty of something. Okay? So you're going to end up needing to get this phone forensically analyzed, which we cannot do on the side of the road, to validate what you're saying. There's no way for us to do that here on the side of the road. Okay? No, ma'am, because you're not found guilty of it. You're only being charged with it.
I understand,
So
but you
have. No, ma'am. My wife has a nursing license, so I understand this very clearly. Okay,
She got arrested too,
it's convictions that they go after, not charges. Okay, because you are presumed innocent until found guilty in a court of law, not in a court on the side of the road. Okay, here we're just charging you with it. All right. So what that does, that gives you the opportunity to release your phone to say your lawyer. Okay, your lawyer can have this digitally analyzed to validate what you're saying that the Walmart app failed. Okay. No, ma'am, you did. You showed me a screenshot. I have no way of verifying that picture is when you say it happened. That picture could have taken, I don't know when. So that's what I'm saying. So you had the opportunity to say, no, their app failed. I have no way of proving that on the side of the road. All right?
The deputy himself offers an unusually clear explanation on camera. Probable cause for an arrest is a different, lower standard than the proof beyond a reasonable doubt a prosecutor must later establish. That distinction is legally accurate, a rare moment of real legal education captured in real time. According to the footage, she was ultimately taken into custody and charged with grand theft. No independent court record confirms the final outcome of this case. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of police interactions.